Well, Dad, did you enjoy your beer that they have no idea that we had?
Oh, yeah, that was good. Nitro.
Dark Day,
beer.
or Dark something.
Dark Star.
Literally, y'all, just give my dad a dark beer, porter, nitro, stout. He'll be your best friend.
Yep. It works.
There's a little point of reference for y'all from earlier today. Father,
Yeah.
what are we about to go do?
Take a little snooze at the airport. Because we're driving to San Juan to catch the ferry. Well, we're driving to Anna something or another.
Anacortes.
Yeah, to catch the ferry to San Juan Island.
At what time?
4:30 in the morning.
Yeah. And how far is Anacortes from here?
About an hour and a half.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Ken gets in at 11:30, and then we have an hour.
12:06, but
Yeah.
who's counting?
And apparently Dad. And then we have an hour and a half drive.
Yep.
So we'll get an hour and a half sleep.
Yep. And catch the ferry for 2 hours, which we'll get to sleep or stay awake and take pictures on.
Yeah.
And then we'll be in San Juan Island.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Because we're going on a whale watch.
Becky, are you excited to see your daddy?
Oh, is that your daddy?
Get your puppuccinos. Oh. Yum, yum, yum. Those tasty? Oh.
On the ferry to San Juan Island.
This was a last minute decision, wasn't it?
Yep.
It's 4:10 a.m. and we are going to San Juan Islands.
That's right, because we've been up all night.
Yep. Ken's back there snoozing. I don't know if it's picking up on the microphone. But he is passed out. Melly, are you sleepy? Oh my goodness. Are you so tired?
He says, what's up with this?
So we are going to try to catch some sleep in here. The ferry's about an hour, so that way we can be somewhat aware of what's happening today. And then, yeah, we'll keep you posted. Oh my goodness, look who it is. He's back in full flesh. He survived Miami. He survived the bachelor party. He is here. 100% awakened from the grave. Kenneth Bornstead.
Bury my ashes on South Beach. Looking up some breakfast. Now that I'm back and better than ever, she just can't keep her hands off me. She just wants to film me all the time. And we are going to a national park today.
Where are we at?
I don't know where we're at.
Who's on your map?
What? What? We're in the San Juan Islands?
Yay!
I had no idea we were in the San Juan Islands. Assholes.
We thought we were in Cascade National Park.
I was like, aren't we? I was like, aren't we across the way from National Park? That's so funny. They're taking advantage of me when I'm coming back. When I'm out.
Down and out.
Down and out.
And it was so fun.
Yeah, you were on a boat and everything this morning.
Oh, I was on a ferry.
Yeah. Did you feel rocked to sleep?
I did not feel any sea legs or anything coming off.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Can I help you with anything?
Your place is so cute.
Thank you.
I love this.
We have lots of yummy stuff.
Oh yeah? Is that right?
They're really strong.
Thanks so much for being so hospitable. I appreciate
It's
it.
nice meeting you.
That was
Welcome
this
aboard.
week.
Welcome aboard. Let's go.
Bye. Wow, look at that hair. What you got there, baby?
Very fresh blackberries.
Where'd you get those from?
Just right there.
Explode in your mouth.
See it?
Juice and sugar.
That was like 2 gulps of like blackberry juice.
We are at Roche Harbor. We're just kind of putzing around like usual. No real agenda there, guy. I just farted. Are these real or not? Yeah. Well, we got our whale watching accomplished, huh? Got to see our orcas finally.
I got to touch an orca.
How was it?
Exhilarating.
Top 10 life experience.
I have no more stress.
Time to blast off into the beach.
We're doing other water sports.
The more important kind. Gotta taste the flavor of the island, right?
That's right.
That term came from
I love both of you so much.
Thanks for letting me come do this with you guys.
absolutely.
Thank you for wanting to. Do you think he's upset we left him?
No.
What's up? Oh, it's so cute.
Okay. Go cat. Go cat.
Just made Dad's bed. We'll show you how it's done tomorrow night. It's one of those whale watching tours.
Guiding light, northern star.
Tato, look, I got some blackberries for you, buddy. What's up? Yeah.
Chasing
Are we ready to go see some whales?
What is that?
Oh,
What kind of gear we have? You're gonna model for
what
us?
gear do we not have?
Oh yeah. I'm questioning my shoe selection, but I think we'll be okay. Apparently it's supposed to drop like 20 degrees. Yeah, first time on a boat. You wear sandals on a boat.
horizon line keeps on calling and pulling me along.
So it's in Narborough?
Yeah, they're about to drop us in Antarctica.
Looks like you're
In a
about to go
few hours.
snowboarding.
Just getting on the gear. Let's go do some exploration in Antarctica with my father-in-law.
Excited to see some orcas?
Ready?
We're in the harbor, eh?
Okay.
Good morning.
Hey, morning.
How'd you sleep?
Like a rock.
Is it pretty cozy?
Mm-hmm.
Does the job?
Hmm?
Is it does the job?
Yeah, it sure does.
I see you gained a companion this morning.
Mm-hmm. Snuggle buddy.
Melly, where's your bed? Did you sleep where your tail is laying? Well, I guess we'll head to the state park.
Okie dokie.
You said no, Grandpa, you're not getting off this bed.
Don't give me run no bro shit, that bro shit get old. And don't give me run no hoe shit, these hoes get too bold.
This man. Hey, James. He sees a fly.
Yeah.
He saw it. He's scared of flies.
Deathly afraid.
He's so scared. He's such a sweet boy. He wouldn't hurt a fly.
Literally.
Like literally.
Like a lot of lie. Oi, who you got there?
Huckmeister.
Is that your grandson?
Yep.
The oldest?
Mm-hmm.
Unfortunately, you leave us today, don't you, Dad?
Yep. Fly back home.
Until next time, right?
Yep.
What was one of your favorite moments?
I think going up to the top of Olympia Park there.
Yeah.
At the very first day,
Uh-huh.
up into the clouds and stuff.
Yeah.
Hiking in the rainforest.
Yeah. I gotta agree with you on all that.
Checking out the beaches. Been fun. Chowing down on seafood. Hard to take. But if somebody's got to do it, I could volunteer.
We're gonna miss you, especially Tucker. Bye.